Yep, Sanbonani Bafetu, Sanbonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bafetu. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, Bafetu. Yeah, Bafetu. Mamelodi Sundowns won 3-1 against Marumo Gallants. 2 goals from Tebogo Mokoena, and the last goal from Tebogo Mokoena, Bafetu, is a contender for a goal of the season, Bafetu. My point is, Bafetu, Washington Arubi won man of the match. Kuyo le match lena sibuya kuyo. I don't know who select man of the match, but it doesn't make any sense, Bafetu. A team that was fighting is fighting for to retain Betway Premiership as champions. They win a match which was very important. They go to position 1, 2 points clear of Orlando Pirates. And guess what? The goalkeeper who was scored more goal won man of the match. Does it make sense to you guys? Masinchela City, once you see politician come to a stadium, come to watch soccer, you must expect bad things to happen. Match fixing, referee being given money to spoil my results. Things like that will continue to happen, Bafethu. Up until certain people are removed from iBetway, Bafethu. Like ubani ophile kahle engcondweni yakhe ne. Tebogo Mokoena, we are not talking about just a player, a dizzy player. We are talking about someone who plays for iBafana Bafana. Someone whom, if angekho kuBafana Bafana, we are sure we are going to lose. If Tebogo Mokoena is not there in the national team, we are going to lose. Siya ku-World Cup manje. Befanele ngabe winner aboTebogo Mokoena ama-man of the match, so that sibooster ini i-confidence yabadlali. But because kunomuntu ocabangela i-team yakhe ayi-one la ku-Betway Premiership, i-one, cabangela i-team yakhe i-one, feel like they should spoil this moment, Bafethu. You can ask anyone who was the man of the match. Tebogo Mokoena, Cupido, Mdunyelwa, easily you could bongakhetha kubo lamajita lawa, but because there's someone who wants to spoil the party, you give a goalkeeper a consider 4 goals, for a consider 3 goals, man of the match. Guys, come on, we can do better. Come on, guys, we can do better. Sekuyacaca nje ukuthi we are not watching football.